If you want to use the reverse wireless charging option on your Motorola smartphone, then first of all we need to enable power sharing. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll down over here and search for the battery option. Now in battery, if your phone does have reverse wireless charging, then you can find power sharing option and you can turn it on. After that, we should be able to place our Motorola on its display like that. So we have the back clearly visible and accessible, and then we can place another device that can be charged wirelessly on the back of our Motorola. So for example, over here I have my other smartphone that has wireless charging, so I can place it on top of the Motorola in order to charge it. Of course, you might need to move it up or down a little bit to make sure that these two phones or these two devices actually have the connection. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.